Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I'm going to draw and color beautiful owls step by step for kids. Let's start drawing. I am going to draw two eyes. This is the nose. After this, it is the eye, round two left and right. Two sides of our owl. I will draw the top on the owl. Very nice. Its body, our owl. And then two wings. Wow, awesome. Two legs. I will draw the middle part of the owl. Great. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I will first color it yellow inside its body. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow! This time I'm giving you the orange color. Red color. I am giving green color to both wings. I'm adding pink color to the owl. Brown color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!